Recording. Dispatch recording.
I'll give you 21. I'm trying to see how he spelled it.
Fuck me, dude.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's been no 14. Opponent 11-13, reference has opponent bullet holes in his roll.
160-30.
What does that plate return to?
What's this gonna be?
04 Hyundai, gray in color.
A Robert subject.
No.
Yeah, 4.
You advise on his 26 status in the number.
Yeah, 47.
Okay. Whoa, 3 officers.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Y'all come on in.
Hey,
I have to sit down
well,
because
yeah, 1 second, man, Brooklyn. We dealt with her a bunch. She's gonna sit here and talk for 45 fucking minutes. Just didn't know if you knew. She has a YouTube, so yeah.
can you keep the on the 29th? Y'all have been out here about 4 or 5 times. We've been to the office a couple times, and they've written out reports. I've had to type up reports, sign them, everything. Threatening. Now they're threatening to kill my granddaughter.
7-1.
Okay, we went up there. It put me in the hospital Monday night. My blood pressure was 230 something over 113. They had to put the heart monitors. They took the CAT scan, everything. Right now my heart is fluttering a little bit. Tonight they're threatened to go to. I know it's all open media. They're threatening to go to Facebook and tell them we're threatening them. But I've got all the emails, everything. They're wanting to rape us. I even have a tape confession of it.
Who's them? Who's they?
Austin Garrett, the idiots from YouTube. They started this back in June. Another lady last year in August, and the DA had it and said, get you an attorney, and I couldn't afford it. Oh, sorry. That's why I'm trying to sit in front of it. Because they're saying we're lying and the cops has never come out.
Well,
tonight, they threatened his mother, who is 91 years old. They threatened to put a 32-bit something hack on his family. They said his family is rotten, dirty court. They're making up reports about his family being criminal. His nephew served 20 years in the Air Force.
now we know some of these people are criminals.
Oh, we do. Harry Dog changed his name. It was Harry Orbs, O-R-B-S.
Well, I don't know if his first name was Harry. He just changed
We
his
don't.
name.
We know that his last name's Orbs. We have emails with his IP address where he said we're going to rape you, and said other women's name. Now they're saying I have a brand new, this week born great granddaughter. I don't like to say this, but I'm going to tell y'all the words. We got it that they said they're going to stick their prick, their dick, whatever you want to call it, in her mouth so she can suck it. Then they're going to take 2 or 3 fingers, stick it in her, and rip her in half.
Okay, what got you? That's already been taken care of.
Well, it's been
Well, what-
reported.
Yeah.
Tonight, they've threatened us to send anthrax through the mail.
To my sister and my mom
Yeah.
in Alabama.
So for tonight, when did that happen? About what time?
Just a little bit ago. He called as soon as it happened. And then you know what they did? When I went to take...
Turning on.
Okay.
How many times have we been to this address in the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 months?
Emma. 75. Twice this August.
10-4, is there? I apologize. She's talking. Is there a an older white female that's attached to this address? She should be extremely signal 9.
Stand by, I'll look through the calls.
Good.
2205 Carnation. Caller advised that they were involved in a hit and run at 13th Street and 3rd Avenue. They're not sure of the description of the other vehicle, but they pulled in front of that address. Just financially, please, closer. Your radio cut out several times.
She was bothering me recently. Thank
160.
48 was advising if they had any signal past couple days.
10-4, we copy, we have to go and check.
Yep.
$70.
Good.
I'm not seeing anything other than just 35s and 13s.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks, Frank.
They won't leave us alone. And on October the 10th, 29th, October 27th,
Mm.
well, I've already purchased some in. This is some, we turned them in when we went. Nobody could catch it. As soon as he said, they just threatened us with it, they erased everything. But he's the one that said he has an AR-15. He's coming to let you know. Yes. So we don't know what to do anymore. I'm just saying. She deleted. Well, I have the URL.
So here, so listen.
Yeah,
So
I have it. It's playing.
y'all
right
want to
here.
listen to me real quick? Okay, so I've dealt with your issues quite a bit. And I remember the conversation we had last time was get off of YouTube. Because the
I
kind
was
of
off of YouTube.
well, listen, the kind of people who get on these websites, that's all they do. They want to rise out of you.
Yeah.
And what you're doing is, I'm sure you're live right now, right?
Yeah, I'm
You're
trying to
giving-
get down. There we go.
You're giving them the rise they want. This is exactly
No,
why.
they keep saying we're lying. We're lying.
Well, that's
we're
fine.
lying.
But here's the thing: the anthrax, the people coming to shoot up your house, stuff like that. Y'all got to get off the YouTube. I'm telling you, that's what they want. They want, and
They
then
want me off of YouTube, but people are telling us not to get off of YouTube.
well, I
Don't
understand
let them
that.
win.
But what I'm also saying
not-
is, you got to look at the day and age. It's almost 2024. This ain't gonna stop.
I know it's not going to stop.
But here's the issue for law enforcement: we can't put a face to a name. Okay,
Oh, I got the faces and the names
understand?
So if you're
and
going
addresses.
well, listen, and I want to give you all some advice, but I don't want the YouTube to continue to hear it because it's gonna
No, it's
affect
completely.
So
She turned it.
There's no
Look,
no
it's
voice.
still going, which it's fine. I don't care if we're on it. I mean, obviously, y'all, that's perfectly fine. Truly, where we're at is that we have these people in different states. They have zero ability to do these harms to y'all. So it does come down to a bit of the freedom of speech. I think.
Okay.
Is it right? Absolutely not. They shouldn't be doing.
They do have
But-
the ability. I went in the hospital. They started calling. Anyhow, they had an exit from my name. They were hacking into it. They found out where I was.
My name
and-
to get information on her.
But-
Yeah,
hospital.
and then a man got at the hospital. The security had to come and take him out. He had a picture of me looking for me, and he said, "I'll kill her." So I don't know what happened to that. I don't know if it was memorial security or what.
What is the dynamic for y'all's YouTube? Is it just to sell things?
It is primarily
do we
to
do
sell.
Ourselves,
I mean,
and then
whatever,
we
I
do.
just
We
kinda-
have prayer sessions,
Okay.
and then I'll read some of the poetry books,
Okay.
and we play games.
Right.
And
Okay.
I have over 520 subscribers.
Absolutely.
They only have like 100,
Yeah.
but
The-
some of the
Again,
trolls have like
well, and that's what I was
3,000.
about to say. That's what I was about to say. The trolls.
Yeah.
These people are doing this to get a rise out of y'all. Okay. And I understand when you hear these things, it's definitely, hey, let's not take it lightly.
hmm
These people are doing this to get a rise. It's no different than people
Well, we
on
know.
Facebook and
We
stuff
know
like that.
But it's the deputy we talked to when we went. The two deputies or whoever came, there was a white man and a black man.
Right.
He's dealt with us 4 times. He said, We have the emails right now. You have the IP addresses. Now we can go after them. Any more threats, turn it in. YouTube or not.
Nope. You're kidding, dude.
Court, 2213 Court for an overdose. Correction, patient caller that 40 to 50-year-old male took painkillers that someone gave him, now he's flipping out. 4730% of the package.
75. I'm extra off this. I'll back her.
Copy that.